Good afternoon, this is Elvis from Supertech Electronics. We're here today to show you how to pull a stereo out of a Nissan Dualis. Tools we'll need are a spudger and a screwdriver. Right, the first thing we do is move the gear shift back so we can get access to it by doing that, by poking in that shift lock hole. Right, then this has been removed for demonstration purposes. We can lift or use the spudger actually. Use the spudger under here, this side, and it'll pull the bottom out. Then basically you move your fingers up the side, and then with a bit of a pop, it'll pop out like that. All right, put that to the side. Then you grab the bottom here and pull. And again, while we're moving your fingers up the panel, you'll be able to pull it out like that. If you want to get it out of the way, just push the tab on here, and that will come free, and you can put it aside while you unscrew the unit. Using a screwdriver, there's 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on this side. Just undo those. Now the unit should just pull straight out. Having said that, there you go. Pull it all the way out so you can get to those 3 connectors there, and by pushing on each tab you'll be able to pull it out. There's actually 4 connectors. This one's a bit of a harder one. There you go. That one there, and then this one's on the side. Okay, now that unit's out, ready to be packed up and sent off to Supertech Electronics for repair.